Pocket the hits at Asda. And pocket Heartbeat, the 60s gold collection. Over 50 classic hits. Probably the greatest 60s collection ever released. Pocket Heartbeat, the 60s gold collection at a golden $14.99. That's Asda price.
Everybody's looking for gift ideas at Christmas. So at Curry's, we've brought together our best choice ever. You'll find inspiration for everyone, including our biggest ever choice of games. And we promise, if you find a cheaper price, we'll match it on the spot. Curry's, the choice for you.
Curry's is the choice for you.
If we can get a little closer. The nocturnal activities of this species are fascinating. Some nibble delicious wafer-thin after-eights. Here we see a challenge to the dominant male, who's clearly marked his territory. With awesome eyesight, this creature spots one lone after-eight and devours mercilessly. And here...
Blasted film crew got in here again.
Oh dear, looks as though we've been spotted.
Okay, RC. Tiny Tannic. The story of a boating lake disaster where a small but exquisitely handsome man saves a drowning puppy from 6 inches of icy water.
No.
2 gram pan supremes.
Withering Heights. Beautiful girl ghost haunts vertically challenged guy in white blouse.
Forget it. There are no good parts for petite actors anymore. I'm sticking with plan A.
You're gonna eat Grand Pan Supremes in the hope that the super big toppings will somehow make you grow.
Right.
New Pizza Hut Grand Pan Supreme. You don't need to be a big star to enjoy bigger toppings.